So this song is self-explanatory, I suppose. Fleetwood Mac did it, and a beautiful lady called Eva Cassidy did it. So hopefully we won't spoil it.
Too much.
Or I won't spoil it. You'll get it right.
No flashing.
You will get it right.
You'll get it right. You don't keep putting yourself down, okay?
Alright, let's go.
I will say I was going to be a comedian doing self-deprecatory humour, but I wasn't very good at it.
For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining. 'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's so right. I know it's right. And the songbird keeps singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. To you, I'd give the world. To you, I'd never be cold. 'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's so right. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like